Deputy Speaker, I feel abused. Deputy Speaker.
Because it is the only organization in South Africa that filled up FNB Stadium and is
Sanibonani ngenza kwethu nibingelele laphayana uDikane uKhwenta uNyanda wephahla. Ake sibheke laphayana ethinta ipolitiki. Sokhumbula ukuthi uRamaphosa umongameli wakuleli ngesonto ledlule ubekade eseMelika ku-White House nomongameli uDonald Trump. Njengoba ibiminingi imibuzo laphayana ebilokhu ivela kulandela kakhulu emva kokuba abuye eMelika, iqembu laphayana EFF liyampheka liyamthulula ngemibuzo. Waze wayikhalela upresident eParliament ukuthi sengithula isikhathi eside sekungathi kungaphekwa amandla ami, ngizizwa ngihlukumezekile kakhulu. I feel abused. Ngalana uMalema ugadla kuRamaphosa ukuthi kungani ayethi iqembu lakhe ithi dying party ekubeni uTrump ngenkathi bebuka amavideo bese White House bebona laphana iqembu laMalema liningi ligcwalise istadium kungekho ngisho isihlalo esi-empty. Kanti ke umongameli weqembu iDA babefakazelana noRamaphosa eWhite House ukuthi amaqembu ayiqhwanqhwangu okwakungamele kwasekuqaleni angene ePhalamende abaseyinhlelweni zokwakhipha i-EFF kanye nomkhonto wesizwe party oholwa umnumzane uJacob Zuma. Besephetha ngokuthi umongameli Ramaphosa akakwazanga ukumela kahle iSouth Africa. Uyidayisile ngokuthi athi izwe elikhungethwe ubugebengu. Malema obeyadisho njalo. Mina ngiyafisa ukwazi ukucabanga lapho
I really do feel abused.
You didn't feel like that when Trump was abusing you in the White House. Why did you feel abused in the White House? You're abused by your own colleagues in South Africa.
I'm here
to remind all of you that this is not a small organization. It was Donald Trump who said to Cyril Ramaphosa, you can't say this is a small organization, because he said he never saw an empty seat. There were 100,000 people and more at the FNB Stadium. Why would you say yourself as a fighter and a ground force that your organization is a dying organization when the White House says this is the biggest organization in Africa and in South Africa? Comrades, they went to White House to complain about you, that you want your land, that you want jobs, that you want the banks and the mines to be returned into the hands of rightful owners. But amabo serelba officing ya principala o kare ke ma teachere a tshwere bana wa banyane a re ko bona people are dying in South Africa. Ramaphosa could not defend South Africa. The whole president of South Africa go America and say in America there is a crime in South Africa. Yes, we know that, but why do you say it in America? Because if you say it in America, they will no longer come to South Africa as tourists. Ramaphosa has killed the tourism of South Africa when he declared crime at the White House. Comrades, it doesn't matter who we are. When we go outside South Africa, especially in front of imperialism, we must close ranks. That Rupert goes and speak bad about his DA in White House in an attempt to impress his masters. We don't like John, we don't like DA, but don't speak bad about them to Trump. Come and speak bad about them here to us in our own country. When we are outside the country, we must close ranks. The same goes to John Steenhuisen, matriculant, who went to White House and said the EFF is a small party, that's why we kept it outside government. Today you know that the government of national unity is not to create jobs, is not to deliver roads, is not to build houses. The government of national unity, its work is to block the EFF from coming into power. That is its primary task, and they went to tell Donald Trump. They exist because of their hatred to the EFF. Let's go about Samaka, Kebo Ace Makashule, Barbabata unity of black people. Amakashule Abata unity of black people. Why are formulas Paza shop says I as a joiner EFF that existed before he formed the Spaza shop? Unalele Kegu Konatala kwa le rebariki Zuma le lebata unity. Reunite Zuma. We will never unite with Zuma, who wants to kill the EFF. Will never unite with MK that exists to destroy the EFF. We are not friends to the enemies of the EFF, whether Trump